I'm Ivette Campos and I'm thrilled to be here with you today. In this session, I'll be talking about the Salesforce Trailblazer Journey, navigating the ecosystem as a newcomer. Here is the agenda for this session. Understanding Salesforce complexity, Salesforce Clouds, learning pathways, best practices for learning, community engagement, roadmap for success. Before we dive in, I'll share some of myself with you. Be aware that in no way I'm approaching the subject as an expert, but as someone who is still learning and wants to share with you what I've been learning. So my life journey has taken me from Venezuela, where I'm originally from. Then in 2008, I moved to Rome in Italy. Then since 2015, I'm calling Paris my home. I've been working in customer relationship management for about 15 years now, and I came across Salesforce 8 years ago as an end user. Then I really liked it, so I moved on as a power user, then also working in digital transformation projects. But I really entered the community and decided to go all in for a Salesforce career in 2022. I listened to one episode of Awesome Admin podcast where they encourage us to go meet other trailblazers. So I went to the YeurDreamin event. I found an amazing people and community that have somehow mentored me and helped me, and it was like magic. Now, it's been a year since I'm wearing the hat of a Salesforce consultant at Orange Business. I've got 8 Salesforce certifications and I'm always trying to learn more. On the roadmap for this year, I've got the PMP exam next on the list. Then I'll go for the Salesforce Platform Developer 1 and Architect Sharing and Visibility. One thing I absolutely love, sharing what I've learned along the way, and there's still so much to learn. The Salesforce community is incredible, and I feel that there's something special about helping newcomers find their footing in this ecosystem. I get so many advices and help that I feel it's my turn to help others as well. Besides English, which you can clearly hear it's not my first language, I also speak Spanish, Italian, and of course, living and working in France, French. I switch between them all day long, which comes handy in this global Salesforce community of ours. And since we've all been newcomers at some point, let's dive in. Welcome to Salesforce Trailblazer Journey, navigating the ecosystem as a newcomer. In this presentation, we'll explore the challenges faced by newcomers to the Salesforce ecosystem and discover effective strategies to overcome them. Let's embark on this journey together. So let's go on the first topic. Understanding Salesforce complexity. As you know, Salesforce is a powerful platform that can initially seem overwhelming. As a newcomer, it's essential to understand its core components. What are the customer relationship management foundations? Salesforce is a cloud-based architecture. It has many customizable features and functionalities. It offers an extensive ecosystem of apps and partners. So, to tackle this complexity, start with Trailhead, Salesforce's free online learning platform. It offers guided learning path and hands-on challenges to help you grasp the fundamentals. Customer Relationship Management CRM Foundations. Please find on each image the link to a site that will explain to you what is CRM. Here you will find explanations, examples, and you can even download a beginner's guide to CRM. So go ahead and download it if you're curious about it. Salesforce is a cloud-based architecture. So in here you will find another link to a module. And what it means is that it's like a blueprint for organizing computer services over the internet. It lets you use powerful computer resources without needing physical hardware. You can store, access, and use things like storage and software from anywhere with an internet connection. It's flexible, scalable, and often cheaper than traditional setups. I let you explore and get this badge about Salesforce platform basics. It will be clearer once you finish it. Another point is its customizable features and functionalities. Salesforce offers a range of customizable features that let businesses tailor the platform to their specific needs. You can create custom objects to organize unique data and add custom fields to capture important details and automate tasks with flows and Apex triggers. Additionally, you can design custom reports and dashboards for better insights and build custom interfaces using Visualforce pages and Lightning components. To learn more about customizable features and functionalities, please go ahead. In your Trailhead account, you can look for some hands-on projects, and you just have to look for custom, then for whatever you need. And of course, we also have an extensive ecosystem of apps and partners. Salesforce App Exchange is a marketplace where you can find and install apps to enhance your Salesforce experience. It offers a wide range of solutions, from productivity tools to integrations with other platforms, all designed to extend Salesforce's capabilities and meet specific business needs. With thousands of apps available, it's a convenient way to customize and expand your Salesforce setup without needing to build custom solutions from scratch. Moving on, we have Salesforce Clouds. So, as you know, Salesforce offers various cloud solutions, and each one is tailored to specific business needs. The most popular ones would be Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud, and you can start by learning more about these that are listed here, and then depending on your needs, you can specialize in some others that might interest you the most. Continuing with Salesforce Clouds, please find in each image a link to a module that will explain to you a little bit more about these clouds. There are many more, but this is a good start to go with the basics. Okay, you will find the same for each one of them. So I let you go ahead. Let's continue with the learning pathways. So, as you know, Salesforce provides multiple learning pathways that help you grow your skills. So here are just what we all know, Trailhead, certifications, and some learning paths. But it's important to keep in mind the goal and to know where we're going, and it would be way easier to continue. And again, in here, please find in each image the link so you can learn more about Trailhead. I'm sure that you already have your account, otherwise you can just create one. Again, it's free. You have the list of the certifications, and so you also have some other roles, so you can explore. Maybe you will find your dream role, and also some other learning paths. Yes, again, if you want to become an architect or a developer, sales professional, and many other. So it's really nice to explore that. It gives you really a wider look of all the possibilities. So here you will find all the links. So let's move on to the best practices for learning. To start, you need to set clear goals and create a steady schedule. So it's not a secret for anyone. In order to get where you want to go, we need to set clear goals. And I really like this quote of Stephen Covey: begin with the end in mind. Okay, so really visualization. And also, don't forget to combine theoretical knowledge with hands-on practice. So theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge are like two sides of the coin. Both are equally important. Another thing really important is to join study groups or find a mentor in the Salesforce community. In my country, we often say, el que a buen árbol se arrima, buena suerte le acobija, which translates into, whoever leans on a good tree will be sheltered by good luck. So go find your luck. And another resource that's really nice and complete, it's the Awesome Admin Toolkit, which provides resources for admins at all levels, and it is such a valuable resource. It can even help you acknowledge the qualities you already have and even build your roadmap to gain the skills to be an awesome Salesforce professional. Continuing with the best practices for learning, like on the go, you have the Awesome Admin podcast, really the one that made me go to my first YeurDreamin event. Salesforce for Everyone, they have awesome programs and tips for your career. The Salesforce Career Show, this podcast will superpower your confidence. And Be More with Tom Bassett, and what can I say? It is truly inspiring. There are also the links to some books that will definitely help you understand the life of a Salesforce professional, and you will feel like you gain years of experience by reading them. So, Rock Your Role as a Salesforce Admin by Jody Herbeck, Salesforce 101, and Successful Salesforce Projects by Pei Moon Lin. And continuing, just know that you are not alone. Community engagement. As you might already know, the Salesforce community is a vibrant and supportive network that can accelerate your growth. Here are some known tips that you should always keep in mind. Join the Trailblazer community, go and connect with peers, ask questions, and share knowledge. Attend to Salesforce events, user group meetings, Salesforce World Tour events, and there are many events that are organized also by the community. And of course, if you can, go to Dreamforce, if you're really lucky to go. Also, there are many online forums, so go ahead, participate in discussions on the Salesforce community, join a Slack groups to keep you updated, and just be present. Now you know you want to become a Salesforce professional, but how do we get there? Well, we need to create our roadmap for success and just follow some basic steps. You probably already know them, but it's always good to remind it. So start with trailhead basics, then go gradually progressing to more advanced topics. You need to set achievable goals and, of course, celebrate your progress because you are committed to it. You need to build a support network within the Salesforce community. It's always nice to be able to speak to people that speak the same language as you and that understand you and what you're all excited about, these flows and those rules and those automation and those agents. So just build your support network, you will feel a lot better. And continue with the roadmap for success. So we need to stay updated with Salesforce releases and new features. As you know, there are 3 releases per year, so it's in constant evolution and it's amazing, but there's always, and it is great, there's always so many things to learn. And you also need to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios or try to volunteer in some other projects. And another thing, remember the book Rock Your Role as a Salesforce Admin? Well, go to the author's page. She has amazing tips to create and maintain your dev org and to show it as a portfolio where you can share your knowledge and even show it to future employers. So we're getting to the end of the session, and what can I say? Just let's keep learning together. Please remember that every Salesforce or any expert was once a beginner. Embrace the learning journey, fall in love with learning, and stay curious, and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Really, the community is always there 24/7. I also hope you will find the resources that I put in the links helpful, and that it will encourage you to create your roadmap and visualize it. Believe in yourself, and you'll be a successful Salesforce Trailblazer. So good luck on your journey, and welcome to the Salesforce ecosystem. And thank you all for your attention. Have an awesome day, really. Bye-bye.